Before we came to Dr. Joy, Aiden was coughing so much. We were told that it was an allergy after several visits with the doctor, and the allergy was to dust and cockroaches. In Hawaii, it's hard to get away from that, and so we put all the allergen covers on the bed and on the pillows, and it got better, but it was still pretty hoarse cough constantly when we're sitting at the couch. But then when we started taking these little tinctures, Aiden instantly started responding, coughing less and less nasally, kind of congestion, and now it's just like gone. So if he's sick, we know he's sick and has a stuffy nose, but he hasn't missed school, I don't think, one day at all. He wasn't really sick before, but just kind of interesting that for this age kid not to be sick one day in his entire year of school is pretty impressive. So he's super healthy, and he's eating so very well.